I just killed the T-Rex.
Nice. Headshot?
Yep.
Attaboy. How many arrows to the head did it take? Just one?
4.
Nice. Yeah, I remember when I was a noob, I shot one in the face like 18
Give me
times.
some prime meat. There we go, prime meat.
Excellent. Did you pickaxe it?
Yeah, I just got one, but still,
Okay.
one's pretty good.
Yeah, one's amazing. Two is just luxurious.
Alright, I'm coming back up the hill.
Awesome.
Gotta remember where it was.
I'll come meet you. Are you on the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come meet you.
Like, I'm swimming across the beach on the raptor.
Alright, do you see me? I'm just at the water right now.
I'm looking. Yeah, I see you.
Alright.
Here we are. Alright, let's go feed that guy.
Yeah. He's so slow at taming. But he ain't going nowhere.
Dude, that taming effectiveness is high.
Yeah, it is, yeah. It's because we used a lot of tranquilizer. We didn't really hurt him.
Tell me the boost of that prime meat. I'm gonna go get more.
Alright.
How much does it boost them?
I'll tell you like how much it remotely came close to giving it a percentage.
Oh no!
What? How did you just lose our champion?
I got stuck.
By what? Yeah, what zone? I didn't hear you. Oh, we're at the north one. Yo, Rapid M2K, don't you have the raid call, bro? Why are you typing? Come, bro. Come to raid call. Here's the raid call number. Rapid M2K, come join us on raid call, bro. Holy shit, I'm scared, man. I nearly attacked the car by accident. Yo, he ain't eating, but he's chilling, man. He'll definitely get up and eat it soon. He still hasn't touched it, but they usually do this. The cardinal I tamed yesterday took like a bite every minute.
Shit, dude, I can't find any more stegos.
You want to go back up the river? Are you going deeper?
Yeah, I'm going up the river now.
Oh, okay.
But it's nighttime.
Well, I guess that's our cue to make sure we have spare torches ready. Okay, he just ate the prime meat. I gave him about, I want to say, 8 to 10%.
Damn, that's good.
Yeah, that's real nice.
If we get like 5, 6, 7 prime meats, he should
Yeah,
be
he's
good.
done. Yeah, if you get like 7 by then, he'll already be done for sure.
Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get him. Might fight that Bronto. Just shoot arrows and... Actually, I'll attack him with my raptor, run back, shoot arrows.
I need stone. I need stone. Where's stone when you need it? Where's stone? That's it's definitely stone.
Yo, I think those stegos might have migrated somewhere else.
They probably kept going deeper in the forest. It looked like they were heading up there.
Alright, I'm going up. If you keep them tranquilized throughout the night, I think we'll be good.
Well, I don't think that's gonna be a problem. He's definitely got a lot of berries ready for him, and I'm gonna tranquilize it once it gets really dicey. I'm gonna keep picking more berries too.
Stego, there you are.
Nice, dude. Get
This is a
that
level
candy.
20. It's gonna give good stuff.
Nice.
There we go, come on, give you something good. Prime meat. 2 prime meats.
Excellent. That's amazing.
Alright, when it gets to 4 minutes, I'm gonna run back. If not, I'm gonna kill this other stego right here.
Back, keep getting as much prime meat as you can. And you'll probably still be able to make it in time during the day.
Man, fuck scorpions. He's about to knock out my raptor. Fuck you, bitch. You dead.
Do you have stim?
Yeah, I got
Berries?
simberries on him.
Nice.
Oh wow, there's another cardinal on the river.
Really?
I just took out a
5.
carno on the beach.
You'd be so kind as to give me prime meat. No, no prime meat from you.
Day's coming.
Alright, I'm coming back. This prime, I don't want this prime meat to spoil.
I agree. I miss it. What the hell?
Oh shit, I think I see some more stegos.
Nice.
Oh, that's a trike. That wasn't a stego.
They wanna fight, man. Oh shit, another one? Alright. Frank, apparently. shit. Oh shit. There's somebody
What
running
happened?
away from a cardinal and he just brought him right to me.
A lot of hit hours.
Alright, I'm gonna log out for just a bit.
Alright, brother. See you later, Ryan.
Yeah, see it.
Hey, can you see my torch? Am I getting near the car now?
Yo, hold on, hold on. I have my mount left at the Carno. I went down to go get water from the river. Hopefully everything's fine. Yeah, I found it. Oh wait, that's you.
Okay, where's the car now then?
He's around here somewhere. He's at my mount. Look for my mount.
Stegosaurus.
Found him? Oh no.
I didn't find him. I found a
Okay,
Stegi.
okay.
Here, you find him. I'll kill this Stegi.
Yeah, I'm looking. Okay, I found him. He's back here. He's back closer towards our house. Back like 150 meters from where you were towards that house. I'm out of blackberries. Time to give you some narcotics. I'm hungry.
Wait, do you have your torch out?
No, I have my hand out, and now I have my torch out. And now I'm on my mount.
Alright, I see where you're lit it up. Okay, I see it.
Let me give him another narcotic. Heck, I think he needs two right now.
But the prime meat's in him.
Yep. It takes him like a minute to eat it. Don't sit there and watch. Just put all the prime meat you got on him. Let him do it.
Eat the steak. He ate it. Damn, that's a big boost.
Yeah, it is. And he's really slow, so we need every boost we can get. Especially because he's 4. This is gonna be like at least an hour and a half minimum.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can find more prime meat.
Alright. Let's sit here and chill out.
Keep them dosed. Yeah, keep them dosed with blackberries.
Yeah, I should probably get more blackberries. I've started to have to burn narcotics. But yeah, I should probably keep getting berries.
Yeah, I would save the narcotics for the last stretch.
I'm not trying to use them. I'm just like stuck getting stone and wood and water for fucking light, and then I got hungry and I was like, well, fuck. I only got like 10 berries so far. It's not enough. Yeah, the drop rate on blackberries is way too low. Sometimes it's good, but most of the time it's shit.
Fuck, I jumped off something. I think I'm getting too far away.